Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell if you haven't already done so. Today we are going to do a very quick 15-minute yellow rice with chicken using the chicken in a can that I bought from Sam's Club when the pandemic had just started. I had asked in the group for a couple of ideas and that's what you guys came up with. This is what I'm going to be using to make it, and I'm also going to make it in the microwave using my pressure cooker, my microwave pressure cooker. I'm going to use oregano, cumin, pepper, onion powder, that's some chicken bouillon, garlic, bay leaf. And we're going to be using my brand new product, guys. Yay! Sabor cachucha is a Cuban pepper, ají cachucha, and I have made it into a ground powder. So this is very new, and I've been using it in all my Cuban cooking, and it is delicious. And I will leave you guys the link so you can go like my page where it will be for sale. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, like always, make a sofrito. Put a frying pan, add some oil, and you're gonna go add pre-cut peppers and onions, as well as some garlic. And you are going to cook that down a little bit until they are tender and translucent. I'm here opening the can of chicken, and I drained it to make sure I didn't have any extra liquid in it. And I'm not the person that normally cooks out of a can, so that's why I had asked for some ideas. And another way that you can go is making some macaroni salad. I was thinking maybe imperial rice. So I'm gonna be making 2 cups of rice, and I use the jasmine rice. So for 2 cups of rice, I add 3 cups of water. Here I'm showing you guys that I add 3 cups of water, and we are going to add all the seasoning. So this gives the color as well as flavor. I'm gonna put 2 bay leaves in there, garlic powder, all of the seasoning. I always do it to taste, so it just depends on how you guys like your food seasoned. So ground pepper, black pepper, some onion powder, the sofrito is done, so I'm just gonna dump it in there. So far we have the rice, the water, some of the seasoning, and I added the sofrito. I'm putting some cumin, always go easy-handed on it, oregano, chicken flavor, because it's arroz con pollo. So there you go, some salt, and I use sea salt. And this is my sabor cachucha, ají cachucha verde molido, so green ground. And I'm gonna add both colors. Soon to be for sale on my Facebook business page, Sabor Cachucha. Hope you guys enjoy it. But here I've been using it on everything. I'm gonna add some of the red one as well. And we usually use this on all our meats and our yellow rices, any fish recipes, black beans, picadillo. So yeah. You're never gonna be without, and you're gonna get that special touch in all your Cuban cuisine with my new product, guys. I hope you guys like it. Go follow the link, and you will like my business page where we will launch very soon. So here I am adding the chicken. I didn't want to cut it like into tiny pieces so that it could actually feel like a real yellow rice with chicken, arroz con pollo. Just moving it around a little bit, getting all the seasonings to be together, mixed well and perfectly. And here I had forgotten to add the tomato sauce, so I am putting in some tomato sauce, and I am going to mix again. Just stir it. We are going to close the lid, close the vent holes, and we are going to cook in the microwave for 15 minutes. So after the 15 minutes, I am going to stir it up a little bit, and I'm going to add the lid back on for a little bit just to let it finish cooking. But this is what it looks like right off the microwave. It's looking amazing, and I can't believe I got some arroz con pollo done in literally 15 minutes, guys. Isn't this amazing? So I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like my video, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, guys.